Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegetable soup with pasta. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of chopped carrots, celery, and onions, which are the foundation of many great soups. Also, have 1 cup of small pasta, such as ditalini, ready. Don't forget 6 cups of vegetable broth and 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes for a rich base. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped carrots, celery, and onions, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they begin to soften. This step builds a wonderful flavor base. Next, pour in the 6 cups of vegetable broth and the 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer. With your soup gently simmering, it's time to add the pasta. Carefully stir in 1 cup of your chosen small pasta, like ditalini. Cook the pasta for about 8 to 10 minutes, or according to package directions, until it's perfectly al dente. You don't want it mushy. Just before serving, stir in about 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped parsley for a burst of fresh flavor. Here are a few tips to make your vegetable soup with pasta truly exceptional. Always use a high-quality vegetable or chicken broth. It makes a huge difference in flavor. Remember not to overcook the pasta. Al dente is key for a great texture. For a little extra kick, consider adding a pinch of red pepper flakes. Enjoy your delicious, homemade soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.